Make your workspace more efficient by organizing your filters in the Orders menu. Start by opening the Orders menu editor. Use the up and down buttons to arrange your filters into the order that works best for your workflow. Group filters into folders to help keep things organized. For example, you might move filters specific to each of your stores into their own folders. You can also rename your filters and folders when needed. When you need to clean things up, you can delete filters and folders from here. Just a heads up, removing a filter won't delete any orders. It just deletes the search criteria you saved. Once everything looks good, click Close to save your changes. Now, your filters are organized and easy to find so that you can spend less time searching and more time shipping. Want more post-sale quick tips? Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to check out the Postsale blog.